Hi everyone, welcome to our channel TechDoubts. I am your Shivarama and today I am going to show you easy ways to make your computer or laptop faster. No complicated steps, just simple tips anyone can follow. Is your system running slow? Don't worry, we have all been there. Whether you are working in assignments or projects, watching movies or gaming, a slow computer can be super frustrating. But guess what? You can fix it without spending money. In this video, I will cover how to clean up your system to free up space, simple tricks to improve speed, and the best free tools to keep your system fast and smooth. I think we have already learned system speed method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4 and method 5 also. Today we are discussing about method 6 for increasing the system speed. Before the system speed, you need to know the system configuration hardware. So for that, you need to learn first what is the configuration of your desktop or PC or laptop, whatever. Okay, let's jump into video. Thank you. If you need these links, already I given into video description. Please check it out for the in the description. Method 1, method 2, method 3, and method 4 and method 5. Links also I'm giving in description. If you wanted to see those also, you can. Let's jump into video. Okay, you wanted to know the system configuration first, right? For this is the taskbar. In the taskbar, right click. Here task manager is available. Click on task manager. Task manager. Okay, I wanted to click right now. Okay, then I'm getting another window. In this window you need to check it out the performance. Got it? Performance is the feature. If you click this, here it will show the CPU, memory and disk, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, remaining devices it will showing. Now I want to click on CPU. If you click the CPU button, you can check here CPU. Which type of CPU it is, you can identify here. For example, in my system, in my laptop, Intel Core i7 processor is available. It's gigahertz, the speed of that one, it's almost 2.1 gigahertz. Okay, right? You need to check it out this in your laptop or PC or desktop. Okay, understood? I will explain once again. Check the performance. In taskbar, you need to check the performance button. Yeah, in that CPU is option is there. In the CPU, what is the processor and what is the speed of that one, we need to check it out. And second one is We will check it out. The second one, memory. It's a RAM. Normally you can call it as a RAM, right? Okay, RAM. In my system, it's having 16 GB RAM. And after that, another also there. We will explain later. Further videos, we will explain about memory and how it is happening and everything. Okay, right? This is the memory. And third one is disk. Disk means it's a storage place. Okay, I'm clicking here. In my system, how many partitions are there? Means how many drives are there, and what is the capacity of my storage. These all are showing here. And next one is Wi-Fi. Which type of Wi-Fi is there? Which brand it is? What is the speed of that one? Everything it is showing. And last one is Bluetooth, but it is now I'm not connecting any Bluetooth right now, so it is not showing anything. These are the things first of all. Okay, first one is CPU, and second one is memory, and third one is disk size, and fourth one is Wi-Fi. This is, guys, today video, and later next video we will check it out. What is the relation between the memory and storage place for our system speed? Okay, we will do the next video on memory and disk drives. Which type of disk drives are there? Which is a better disk drive to increase the system speed? And what is the memory? And how many types of memories are there? Which memory is better to increase the system speed? Increase the system speed. And all the things we will discuss there. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.